Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Sir Abhishek Barman. Today is mock test on grammar for all type of competitive exams. This class is designed specially for the candidates who are taking preparation for SSC CGL, MTS, CPO, CHSL, Bank, Railways, SLST, ANM GNM, etc. This is the second class. First class already uploaded. So let's go. First question. The following sentence is divided into four parts. One of them is error. Select the part that contains error. So let's go. The given sentence is Amla juice is rich with vitamin C, no error. Here, you will be provided four options. Option A, vitamin C. Option B, Amla juice. Option C, no error. Option D is rich with. Here, one question, that is one option is wrong or error. The right answer is option D is rich with, because Amla juice is rich here. Rich is immediately followed by the preposition in, with is wrong answer. Next, question number two. The following sentence is divided into four parts. One of them is error. Select the part that contains error. Now, let's see the sentence. The woman has not written a single story by 4 years. Option A, not written. Option B, the woman has. Option C, by 4 years. Option D, a single story. The right answer is, that is the wrong portion of the sentence, is option C, by 4 years. Here, by 4 years is the wrong answer. Now, question number three. Replace from the option of the underlined part of the sentence here. This part is specially for the sentence development. Every year, this type of the question is normally set in every type of exams. So let's know the sentence. The manager wanted, it should be wanted, the manager wanted me not to be careless from my passbook. Here, careless from, here, this part should be improved by which option? Option A. Uh, Option A, careless besides. Option B, careless with. Option C, careless across. Option D, careless on. Here, the right option is here, careless with. Careless from is wrong answer. This part, careless, should be followed by the preposition with. The right answer is, the manager wanted me not to be careless with my passbook or with my ATM or whatever it is. Now, question number four. Replace the Replace from the option of the underlined part of the sentence. That is, this is from sentence improvement. The given sentence is the congratulated. Sorry, they congratulated him at his new job. He was delighted. Here, he congratulated him at. Here, this part should be replaced by what portion should be the appropriate part that can be replaced by this underlined part. Option A. Option A, congratulated him up. Option B, congratulated him on. C, congratulate him with. Option D, congratulate him along. The right answer should be congratulated him on. The congratulate should be followed by preposition on. Now, question number five. Select the correct indirect or direct form of the sentence. That is, a sentence will be given to you either a direct or indirect. If it is direct, then it should be transformed into indirect, and vice versa. So let's know first the sentence. I like having Bengali food, said Bonani to the manager. Once again, I like having Bengali food, said Bonani to the manager. The right answer should be option A, Bonani tells the manager that she has liked Bengali food. Option B, Bonani told the manager that she has liked having Bengali food. Option C, Bonani is telling the manager that she likes Bengali food. Option D, Bonani told the manager that she will like South Indian breakfast. Here, the right answer is option B. Bonani told the manager that she has liked having Bengali food. Now, question number six. Select the correct indirect or direct form of the given sentence. Let us first know the sentence. The teacher said, too many cooks spoil the broth. Option A, the teacher said too many cooks spoil the broth. Option B, the teacher said that too many cooks spoil the broth. Option C, the teacher told too many cooks had spoiled the broth. Option D, the teacher said that too many cooks spoiled the broth. The right answer should be option B, the teacher said that too many cooks spoil the broth here. This is present indefinite tense, it should be transformed into past indefinite. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Here, this is the general rules, but here, too many cooks, this is the normal sense or the traditional or universal or habitual. As we know that the indirect speech is, if the indirect speech is habitual truth, factual truth, or universal truth, then this part question tense will remain the same. That's why though said is past, but too many cooks spoil the broth here. This part remain the unchanged because this is universal truth. Next, question number 7. Select the option that expresses the sentence in active or passive. If active, then should be transformed into passive, and vice versa. Question number 7. The pot contains milk. This is active. Then what should be the perfect passive form from the option? Option A, milk is contained by the pot. Option B, milk is contained in the pot. Option C, the pot is contained by milk. Option D, milk is contained with the pot. Here, this the pot contains milk. The appropriate answer of this sentence at the passive form is option B. Milk is contained in here. Appropriate preposition after contained. The preposition should be in, not by. So the right answer is milk is contained in the pot. Now question number 8. Once again, same also select the option that expresses the given sentence active or passive. The sentence is, can you send this small parcel by air? Option A, could this small parcel be sent by air? Can this small parcel be sent by air? Could this small parcel sent by air? Can this small parcel sent by air? Here, the right answer should be this is active. It should be transformed into passive. The perfect passive form of the given sentence is option B. Can this small parcel here? Option as it is present, that should be it should be started with can, and it is interrogative sentence. Object is this parcel should be the subject, this parcel. Then as this sentence contains a modal, then definitely it is followed by be, and then the send is the past participle form of the send is sent by subject here is should be here, and that should be the right answer should be B. Now question number 9. Select the correct spelled word from the option. Correct spelling. A double S O C I A T E, a double S, a double C O S I A T E, a double S O S I A T E. Option D, A S O S I A T E. The correct spelling of the from four option is option A double S O C I A T E. Spelling correction is the very essential for any type of competitive exam. Now question number 10. Select the incorrect spelled word from the option. Incorrect here. Benchmark, Bknigst night, Azgravate. Option D, Substance. The correct here, that is the incorrect spelled word is option D. Substance, Substance. Now question number 11. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given word or given group of words. One word substitute is very important for any kind of competitive exam. The sentence is the phrase or the words are being unable to pay one's debt. Once again, being unable to pay one's debt. Option A, insolvent. Option B, solvent. Option C, boutique. Option D, acquittal. Here, being unable to pay one's debt, one word substitute is option A, insolvent. Insolvent. Now question number 12. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given group of words. A traditional story related to deities. A traditional story related to deities. Option A. Religion. Option B. Devotion. Option C. Myth. Option D. Fictitious. Here, a traditional story related to deities is option C. Myth. Question number 13. Select the most appropriate meaning of the idiom given here. This is also another important topic in well and o. In well and o. Well and o is option A in despair and failure. Option B in prosperity and adversity. Option C in happiness and good times. Option D in sad and gloomy days. Here, the O, well and O is the well and O idiom of this phrase is here. Meaning is, sorry, the meaning of this old idiom is option B in prosperity and adversity. In prosperity and adversity. Now, question number 14. Another same question, appropriate meaning of the idiom. Fair and square. Fair and square. Option A, good looking. Option B, being vague. Option C, fair skinned. Option D, honestly. The correct answer is option D, honestly. Fair and square means it is the meaning of the idiom is honestly. Now, question number 15. Select the most appropriate synonym of the word given below. The word is exaltation. The word is exaltation. Option A, elaboration. Option B, dejection. Option C, ecstasy. Option D, satisfaction. Here, the correct answer is option C, ecstasy. The synonym of the word exaltation is ecstasy. Question number 16. There is the most appropriate synonym of the word given below. The word is perseverance. 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 Option A, humbleness. Option D, B, discipline. Option C, steadfastness. Option D, tolerance. Here, the synonym of the word perseverance is option C, steadfastness. Steadfastness. Now, question 17. Here is the most appropriate antonym of the word given below. Antonym word is adversity. Here, the antonym of the word adversity is brilliance. Option A, brilliance. Option B, affliction. Option C, penury. Option D, fortune. Here, the correct antonym form of the word adversity is option D, fortune. Now, question number 18. Select the most appropriate antonym of the word given below. The word rebellion. Here, the word is rebellion. Option A, allotment. Option B, sedition. Option C, loyalty. Option D, uprising. Here, rebellion. The antonym of the word rebellion is option C, loyalty. Now, question number 19. Fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. Very, very important topic. He was vexed, dash me. He was vexed, dash me. The appropriate preposition option A, for, option B, to, option C, by, option D, with. The correct answer is vexed with, option D, vexed with. Question number 20. Fill in the blank with the appropriate preposition. We should cling, dash our objectives. Once again, we should cling, dash our objectives. Option A, on, option B, from, option C, to, option D, about. Here, the right answer is we should cling to, option C, to, cling to. Question number 21. This is the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. This is another option topic, that is the sentence is incomplete and that should be completed by a particular word given option. This is the new addition in the different type of competitive exams. Now, the sentence is when they are negative and toxic thoughts, dash your mind. You can never think positively. Once again, when they are negative and toxic thoughts, dash your mind. You can never think positively. Option A. plotting, option B, persuading, option C, shouting, option D, clouding. Here, the correct answer is option D, clouding. Whenever they are negative and toxic thoughts clouding your mind, you can never think positively. This is very, very updated version in the competitive exam. Incomplete sentence, and that incomplete sentence should be completed by the option given. Now, question number 22, same. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank, same. Every person should know their own dash, what their skill set is and how unique they are. Once again, every person should know their own, what their skill set is, and how unique they are. Option A, specialties. Option B, calamities. Option C, fecundities. Option D, punctualities. Here, the right answer is option A, specialties. Every person should know their own specialties, what their skill set is, and how unique they are. Question number 23. Select the correct phrasal verb from the option which is similar in meaning of the word, underlined word. Phrasal verb. Khudiram Bose sacrificed his life for his motherland. Sacrificed to be replaced by the appropriate phrasal verb. Option A, give up. Option B, put up with. Option C, keep up. Option D, lay up. Sacrifice should be replaced. That is, similar in meaning is option A, give up. Khudiram Bose gave up his life for his motherland. Question number 24. Select the correct phrasal verb from the options which is similar in meaning of the underlined word. The sentence is the candidate fails to appear. The candidate fails to appear in time. Here, phrasal verb of the what appear is option A, come up. Option B, come to. Option C, turn up. Option D, put up. Here, appear is replaced. That is similar in meaning is option C, turn up means appear, make an appearance. Question number 25. Last question. Fill in the blank with the most appropriate option. Here, in all her sorrow, she must weep or she will dash. Once again, in all her sorrow, she must weep or she will dash. Option A, die. Option B, laugh. Option C, suffer. Option D, cry. The right answer is option C, suffer. In all her sorrow, she must weep or she will suffer. These are the most updated questions normally set in the different type of competitive exams. I am determined to supply you the most important questions which are very, very important for the forthcoming exams that are mentioned at the beginning. Next day, that is next weekend, is just as 6 p.m. The more important questions, that is just type of mock test, will be available in this channel. Goodbye.